What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to announce the winner of the free money giveaway that I've been promoting in my previous videos. So, matter of fact, I'm going to tell you who the winner is right now. And the winner is...
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn instant PayPal money over and over again. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And today, I'm going to give away some free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below if you like what I'm talking about today. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, like I said, I'm gonna give away some free money today. Now, subscribers, if you've been looking at all my videos, you know that I've been promoting my free money giveaway once I get to 500 subscribers. Now, I made it to 500 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you. It seemed like it was a long journey, but I finally made it. I'm like at 530, 538 now. So, as promised, I'm going to give away some free money. So, I'm going to go ahead and announce that right now who won the free money. It's going to be two people. Okay, the first person that won $20 cash or $20 Amazon gift card is Corey Jackson. Congratulations, Corey. Congratulations. Thank you for supporting me. I saw you in several of my videos, saw it in the comments below, and what you said and everything was simple, but still very creative, and I like your comments. So I want to reward you with $20 cash or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. So this is how you're going to get this cash or gift card. What I want you to do is go down to the comments below, and you're going to see my comment, App Grind TV, and you're going to see my email address. So I want you to email me a screenshot of your channel, and in the email I want you to tell me what you want. You either want the money, and I'll send that to you through your PayPal address, so leave that in there, or if you want the gift card, I'll just go ahead and email you the gift card. Now, your email needs to coincide with your channel name so I can make sure that you are the right person. I don't want just somebody that's randomly looking at this video trying to get $20 and you are the one that really won this. So do that, scroll down there and you'll see my comment down there, and just follow those instructions and you'll get that gift card or the $20. Now, the second person that I'm going to reward some money to is Bree Lady Red. Congratulations, Bree. I saw your comment. It was a little creative. You said you was gonna check out one of my money making opportunities that I presented in one of those videos. So since you participated and gonna participate in that money making opportunity, I want to go ahead and give you $10 just for watching and subscribing to my channel. So follow instructions like I said before for the other person, and you're going to see that comment down in the comments below. So just go ahead and send me your screenshot of your channel, and your email needs to coincide with your channel. And what I'm going to do is send you that $10 through your PayPal. So leave your PayPal address in there in the email also. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you for you guys' support. And this is how I'm rewarding you guys for watching my videos and subscribing. So I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to keep giving away some money. So once I get to 800 subscribers, I'm going to give away some more money. So you need to keep watching and keep dropping them comments down below. And new people, subscribe right now. You could be the next person to get this money. All right. Now let's get into the method. Please watch this video to the very end so you know every step you need to take to earn instant PayPal money over and over again. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called superpay.me. Now, this is a survey website. So I know you're probably saying, oh no, not another survey website. The reason why I'm showing you these survey websites because you can make a nice amount of money if you sign up for several survey websites. And if you can do all of them in a day, you know, maybe 3 or 4 of them, you can make some good amount of money within, you know, a couple of hours or something like that, because, you know, surveys don't last for like 15-20 minutes or less sometime. So that's why I'm telling you about this website, about this survey website, because it's a pretty good one and it pays out real quick, and you don't have to accumulate that much points to pay out. So let's go ahead and go over this. All right, it says make money online with free paid surveys today, fast payments within 24 hours, low cash out threshold, work from home, promo codes and cash contests, free paid survey and offers, and 20 cents join bonus. Generous referral program also. You join for free. And it says here it has paid out to their members $2,600,125.39. That's a lot of money they've paid out. And it says here, join free today. Quick and easy registration. Complete registration in less than 2 minutes. Receive a 20 cents bonus when you join. Take part in surveys and offers. So you make money by taking part in paid surveys, and these are hundreds of them available every day. And you can watch videos, complete paid surveys, and offer trials, and get paid. Over 90% of payments are paid within 8 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrill. Or exchange your points for Tango gift cards, which can be used for popular retailers such as Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, and more. That's pretty good there, so you can use that to shop with. And here's a video you can look at. It's kind of like a guide. And right here it says earn cash. We reward you for completing paid surveys and online offers. Redeem your cash using PayPal, Bitcoin, Skrill, and get paid the same day. So you can earn points, watch videos, take part in paid trial surveys. They basically kind of saying the same thing over and over. So I'm not going to go over that again. So basically, you know, that's all to it. But let me go ahead and tell you about this review down here. See what this person said. 700 and some reviews. So when you sign up, you can check this out and check out the reviews when you go to this website. So it's 4.8 average. That's pretty good. You know, it's out of 5, what is it? Yeah, 5 stars. So this person right here said this is the best survey site. There are always more surveys to take. It has the lowest cash out amount, and the funds are usually received in hours, not days. That's pretty good. I had to verify my info after my first cash out. So that's good to know. All right. So that's all I'm gonna say about this website. So if you are interested in joining this website and doing some paid surveys, go to superpay.me. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will allow you to earn instant PayPal money over and over again. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Please hit that like button if you like what I talked about today. Drop a comment down below if you have a question about this video and what I talked about today. And please share this on the internet everywhere. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, again, I just want to say congratulations to Corey Jackson and Bree Lady Red. Thank you for being a subscriber and watching my videos, and I hope you will enjoy. I know it's not a lot of money, but it's free money. You don't have to do anything really but watch my video. So please keep watching, keep pushing my video out there if you're doing that so we can get more subscribers. And before I go, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.